Oh, we find already mushroom here, boys.
They're so skinny.
This is yours under. Oh.
They're so skinny. I don't like them. They have to eat like Alex, like fat. I can have that one. They're holding the green one. I'm alone, these guys. Yeah, we found some mushrooms. I'm alone. I can die.
Harley, it's very dirty that one. You pick a lot of dirt. You need to clean.
Okay.
You pick clean.
I'll take away.
Yeah, oh. It's like the truck cantarel.
You lying. It was.
Tanggalin natin yung ano. Yung ganito. Ganyan. Ay, putol. Yung ganito. Hindi ko na yan kunin kasi sobrang laki. Tapos meron pa. Ang kagandahan kasi nito, sobrang dami sa isang lugar. Wala na yung mga malalaki ngayon. Wala na yun. Hindi na yun season. Tapos na yung ano, season sa Carluhans. Tapon natin tong ano. Okay, boys. Gusto kasi itong mga bata na to mag-picking sila ng mushroom.
Mama, what's that mushroom?
No, that is, I don't know.
Back around.
We go over here.
That's sucker on me.
Ang marami ngayon is yung ganito. Yung ganito na mushroom. Ang marami ngayon. Yan. Tapos meron pa dito. Doon.
Is it that one?
Nay?
Oh dear. Oh dear, Mama.
Ah.
On the outside.
Panha kaya akong mga kauban. Wow! Ang dami! Yung ganito na naman yung kukunin natin. Kasi wala na yung malalaki. Kasi tapos na yung season nun. Yan. Ito naman yung marami ngayon. Ito. Yan. Oh. Masarap to sa sabaw. Tapos dito. Tapos nandun pa. Nandun pa, nandun. Doon. Punta natin yun doon. Here you go. You did not pick, boys?
No.
Mga malalaki doon. Ang lalaki dito, guys. Oh. Lalaki. Nag-enjoy lang ang mga bata. Ayaw nila mag-speaking. Oh, it's a lot there. Over there, a lot.
I was going up to. I go up to today.
Oh, ang lalaki doon, oh.
Mama, don't pull out car.
Oh, ito yung gusto maanhig pures niya, wala nagpicking. Isa naman na.
We have got something. Mama, we're gonna get
I have already.
Mama, we're gonna get Alex. Mama, we're gonna get a lot of like if you say that.
Where is your mushroom now, Harley?
Alex stole it. Alex stole it. Show me. How? Like where the black button?
That is the big brown.
Mom, look.
Yeah, it's dying.
It died. It was all.
Yes, there.
Alex, we're gonna go back.
You don't want to pick that? Parang ayaw nila mag-pick ng ganito na mushroom. It's not prolict for them. The big one is fun for them to pick. But this one is good to the soup. Magkuha lang ako ng kunti today kasi gusto lang kasi ng mga boys makita yung ano, kung may makita pa ba silang big mushroom or not, sabi nila. Pero hindi na season ngayon sa mga malalaki, tapos na. Last month marami yun. Yan siya, oh. Tada! Nakapungpong siya, no? Pungpong talaga, basta palagi.
Bye-bye.
Nandun po. You're so noisy, huh?
It's a bee. It's a spider. The whites are not. Go away. Go down.
Ah, basa na yung ano ko.
Why can't I go down? This spider's making me hurt. Is this spider making me hurt?
Ganyan po yung ano, nandito. Ganyan. Patapos na din to eh. Itong ano na to, mushroom. Kasi pa November na. Ngayon pa ano na.
Do you speak English for real? Yeah. Why you too?
Ano yung dalawa? Naglaro lang yan sila. Walang ginagawa. Take your basket. It's raining now.
Yeah, see, it's raining now. On the window.
May mga malalaki pero old na talaga. Marami doon na malalaking mushroom.
Spider! That's why you have big eyes.
Big eyes?
I find. Mama, do I find? Is this the same? No. Mama, look.
No, not that one.
Do you feel the same? I don't feel hurt.
It's over there also more.
I don't feel good. Oh. I think I don't feel so good. I don't feel so good. No, like
One again. And look at the...
that massive spot.
It's so old now.
Yes, white.
Oh.
It's a candy.
So it's no more with that one now.
Is it snow? Is that snow?
No, this like a mold. We're gonna look the other. You cannot find on the big one now because that is not season, boys. We go down there. Look.
The monster.
Still find this cantareller. Still cantareller here. See, Tita? Also there. Mm. And more there, more there inside. Ganito sila. Tubo ramang gud na sila pag tuan na yun na ilang area diha rapod na sila manugo. And then, ito yung maliliit last time na ano namin. Napa eh. Diba? Napay ka rin. Kita. Di na ako to sulukon tong na dito sa kahoy. Ako nakita maliliit pa sila oh. Okay na yan. Wala na. Pero gusto pa kasi ng dalawa maglaro dito sa forest. Ang nakighanggat og muhag mushroom perting dula tawon ganahan magud na sila nature. Di na nagtutuwang eh. Boys, if you're gonna dirty na boys. Nag-slide naman sila. Mahugaw, nagiging akong car. Perting kiat gid lang duwen tawon eh. Di na ko manglimpyo ani kay limpiwan na ako daan diri. Hugasan lang ni. Butang sa ref. Mahal kayang per kilo ani 199 kroner. Kita ko ani sa Ika mahal. Ang ganda. Tanggalin natin yung kasi para hindi tayo maglinis pa dating sa bahay. Ayan. Ito na yung ano natin. Buha. Tapos meron pa dito. Tanggalin lang yung ano.
It's a lot of here.
Yeah. Down there, oh. Salat down there, oh. Go pick na, be.
Do it with your hand. Oh my god, I'm picking a lot. Oh my god, how much is this? Oh yeah, it's 100 of them. No, it's
There, oh. More there.
okay, Mom. Yeah, one card with on them. Gonna make a lot of.
Not the small ones. A little bit bigger there.
Okay. We're gonna make a lot. I mean, pee, Mama. Don't pee over here. You need to.
Okay. You have the bigger there, Hali, oh. That one.
Ew. Ew, you pooing?
Hurry up na, yeah. Here na lang ya, oh. You go picking over there, oh. A lot.
It smells good.
Yeah, it's good, that one in the soup.
It sounded like weird. Yeah. It sounded like zipping a bag. One more there. That's not too good. Now I got it. Mama, should I take this one?
Not the old one. The new.
I'm showing them. The new. This one. This is a new one.
With head also, be.
Oh, that's not big. I have a big head. You have a big brain? Yeah. Oh, this is a big one. This one?
Remove lagi the ano, oh.
This one.
So we don't need to clean ba when come home.
Oh, baby Lee. Oh, spark in my finger.
No? You remove this one, oh.
Oh.
Take away. Oh, more down there.
Mama, this one? This is.
Yeah.
Put it in.
Okay, more,
He fell
more
down. He fell down. He fell down, Mama. He fell down. He fell down. He failed. He got the wrong place. Hope I didn't. Alex, up here. You. Alex, up here.
Tapos na sila. Are you tired now? Spin your legs because you've been
I also painted my legs to
sliding.
and I was sitting down there and I painted more.
Because you've been sliding.
You should all sit down. Sit down's good.
Sit down is good. Yeah?
So it's not pain on us. What really slide?
Enough na ni siguro. We go home na, boys. Hindi na namin to kunin. Uy. Tama na to. Dami na. Hindi na din to maubos-ubos. Next time. Marami pa. Marami pa dyan, oh. Marami pa, oh. Kami, guys. Ito na yung kuha natin today. May ano na tayo masabaw tomorrow.